Hey my foodies, and welcome back to my channel. If you are new to the crew, go ahead and smash that subscribe button so that you don't miss another video. Go ahead and turn on that notification bell. Make sure it's set to all so that you will be notified every time that I upload. Guys, I am back with another mukbang. Okay, but it is a seafood gumbo that I made, and these are basically the leftovers. I'm starving. I hope you guys are too. So before we get started, go ahead and thumbs that video up. Yes, in the beginning. Come on, my real MVPs. Thumbs that video up. And let's say grace so I can start to eat. Father God, bless this food that I am about to receive. I ask that you remove anything that will cause me harm, and please make it nourishment for my body. I ask and I pray in Jesus' name. Amen. All right. All right. Y'all know what to do. Let me get some food in my system. Yeah. Hope these napkins are not in the way. But you guys, oh my God, I got some. Oh, let me share it with you, baby. I got some smoked sausages in here. I'm making a mess. I got some smoked sausage, some shrimp, some chicken, corn, crab legs, The only thing that I feel like I'm missing is some okra. A little bit of okra, crawfish. I love the flavor of crawfish. Excuse me, y'all. I love the flavor of crawfish, but I don't like the grit in crawfish. And until I learn how to properly clean it or cook it to where it doesn't taste like I'm eating dirty grits, then I won't eat it. So maybe somebody can teach me. But the taste was so good when I had it in my gumbo. That grit, I can't. Yeah, I can't get down with that. Hold on, y'all. I got all this gravy over here. We want all that out of there. I cut some onions up in here. Oh boy. I did a video on how I made this, but y'all know you gotta go watch it on my vlog channel. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead and subscribe. It's Nikki J's Life, one word. Subscribe to my channel over there. My girls over here catching everything. I might need to put a bib on. How y'all feel about me wearing a bib? Tell me in the comment section. And be honest. Y'all care if I wear a beard? I put my foot in this food. Whoo. Get a little drink of my water. And we're going to get into this title. So it reads, and this is Las Vegas KTNV. One lucky guest visitor is already cashing in as Las Vegas casinos are getting back to business. A guest at Caesar's Palace won a $670,637 progressive jackpot while playing the Let It Ride poker game on June 5th. The guest was in town from California and did not want to be identified, according to Caesars Entertainment. Caesars Palace reopened its doors on June 4th for the first time since March 17th due to the pandemic, as many familiar strip properties returned to business. Now, $600,000 is a lot of money, for one. And it's also a lot of money for, especially right now in this time. That is a lot of money. And, you know, not that I don't want people to win, but I just feel like it's really, really drawing people here. Like, all the gamblers and stuff. You drawing them to hurry up and come here with high hopes that they gonna win that $600,000. Like, I just feel like I guess I don't know what I feel like. I mean, because I know it can't stay closed forever, you know. It can't stay closed forever. But it's just like, we don't have a vaccine. We really don't have a way to slow this thing down. We have people coming, I've said this before, from all over the country. I mean, all over the world, not just the country. They come from everywhere here. And since we've been open, since we've started opening back up, the COVID-19 cases here, they rose already. Oh, y'all ate my food. Didn't do a thumbnail. I forget every time. Y'all know. Y'all know I'm forget. I'm messing up. Let me see if I can create something here. Hold on. Let me finish this. See if I can create a thumbnail. Hold on one minute. That food so good. Baby, that food good. So y'all put my foot in that. Okay. See if we can get a nice little thumbnail. Hopefully that works. I hope that works for y'all. Tried to put something together. But anywho, that is what I wanted to talk about. I also want to know what's going on in y'all states. Is everything open? Are they cutting back on the spread? The last time we talked about this, I remember telling you guys there is no way, or even if I didn't tell you guys, I've said this many, many times. There is no way to social distance on Las Vegas Strip. Oh, excuse me, no way, no way. When they first opened the doors, they had, they had the seats separated. So like every other machine, they had it, seated for like every other machine, right? And let me give me some gumbo juice. And you think those people care? I'm not sure why they didn't have the machines unplugged or something, like turn the power off going to them. You think gamblers gonna let that machine sit there? Like, people was standing up. It wasn't a chair there. They didn't care. They was standing up. When you look at the table games and the like the dice game, it was so many people standing around watching the other people. There was no 6 feet anything going on. And I knew that was gonna happen. I knew that was gonna happen. Because it's almost impossible to do. And it was so crowded. And most of the people, I don't believe was locals. Because I seen this other couple. They do YouTube videos. They're an older couple. They're an older couple, and they travel. And guess where they was on their way to? On their way to Vegas. They was on their way to Vegas. Because the strip opened. And they drove here. Same with the man who won the $600,000. He was from California. And he drove here too. So, I don't know. Everybody is out here with high hopes. And I feel like these casinos know what they're doing. They're letting those people win coming back because they just opened. And this is the way to throw that bait out there to make more people come. And when I say they're desperate for people to come, they are desperate. They paying for $1,000. One of the casinos I told y'all, paying $1,000, paid for $1,000 people flights to come here. They want your money, okay? And those people, flights they pay for them, I'm willing to bet my bottom dollar that they pay for people that play a lot of money. And they know that they're going to get that money right back. But we're in the pandemic, so the casinos gambling themselves, paying for those people to come here because you don't know what they money like now. Could be very different. You know? I don't know. Or maybe they do know. Maybe they. Maybe they only pay for people who got like celebrity money or something. I don't know. I just know they paid folks to come here. They paying folks. They pull it out their pocketbook. Come on down. Come on down. We need you back. We need you to spend some more money. Stuff like that. Which is bananas, but y'all know how I go. This was so good. I need to slow down because I feel like I'm inhaling this food instead of chewing it. Because I don't have much. But yeah, I mean, it just is what it is, y'all. That's good. But yeah, I mean, I don't know what to make up all of this, y'all. Like, I really don't. I probably need to just stay in my lane and manage my business. But, you know, what else? What else? Ooh. Oh no. Ooh, yeah, that was good. Talk about a cheat day. Ooh, baby. The gumbo would have been all right if I didn't have like that gravy. It would have been more healthier for me. But How you gonna have a gumbo with no gravy? I could have made like I guess like a stock, a gumbo stock, because that's what it would be if I just boil everything together. Which actually don't sound so bad. And then leave out the rice and the corn. But not today. I was eating that stuff today, y'all. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go ahead and end this video. Thank you guys so much for watching, so much for sitting in and having dinner with me. I appreciate you guys to the max. I do have a giveaway coming out, you guys. Stay tuned for that. Again, thanks for watching this video, and I will see you guys in my next one. Don't forget to thumbs this video up. Subscribe if you have not already. Share this video on all your social media networks so we can keep the lights on. Bye, y'all.